The biometric registration for Hajj is conducted through a mobile app named Saudi Visa Bio App and can be done from home. Please follow the steps below. Put your email address in the application to get a verification link. After you go through the link received an email, you will be automatically switched back to the Saudi Visa Bio App and your biometric process will start from there. Select visa type, Hajj, and continue. Using your phone's back camera, scan your passport so your identity can be verified by the system. After passport scanning, the system will show the passport's details. Please confirm your details and proceed to continue. Please select Pakistan/Karachi in Visa Issuing Embassy. Next, in Previous Visa section, select the option according to your history and continue. Using your phone's front camera, take a photo of your identity can be checked and confirmed against your passport. Using your phone's back camera, show your fingertips so the system can take scans of your fingerprints. If you are getting issue in scanning your finger, the following steps will help you tackle them. Choose the background color tone opposite to your skin tone so the camera can focus correctly. Make sure your hand is still during the scan. Scan in a place where lighting is not dim or low. After completing your 10-finger biometric, the system will ask you to confirm your picture, passport detail, and fingerprint scans. Check the box and send your confirmation. You will receive the confirmation of your biometric with enrollment ID number on your given email. Note, don't forget to share the screenshot of your email confirmation with enrollment ID number on your relevant WhatsApp group.